get through the hardest journey, we need to take only one step at a time, but we must keep on stepping. It is said that education is not life, education is itself a life. On this day, that is 3rd of December, we are reminded how the school was formed 38 years ago. 1982, a seed was sown. The trustees of Devanchand Memorial Education Society are greatly indebted to their father, late Sri Devanchand Ji, for being the source of inspiration and motivation for his noble and sacred cause of education. As the result of his blessing, the pioneers' sincere dedication and hard work, a school with billions of dreams was found. 1982 marked the beginning of an institution for excellence and thus led the beginning of Rainbow English Senior Secondary School. Since then, the school has its credit innumerable achievements and it has crossed many a milestone during its journey towards its goals. And it is well said by Chairman Dr. Jia Kashyap, kites rise against and not with the wind. Our courage, our fortitude, perseverance, hope, and attitude will determine the highest heights of success on which we will soar. And then there are always new roads to chart, new depth to dive, new horizons to touch. This fusion of views and thoughts will help us to understand the intricacies of life and shall help us to stand in good stead everywhere we go. He has always focused to move away from simply educating to educaring. Rainbow School has always tried to awaken the inner strength of each child and enable him to be a good human being. Each issue of WebCure is a milestone that marks our growth and reflect our achievement. Teamwork is the hallmark of Rainbow Fraternity, and we are very through collaborative effort we can achieve more to benefit our students who are the future leaders of tomorrow. This is a special day for all of us. This is a part of the foundation we are building here, and hopefully we'll have more exciting and new innovation with us next year at this time. And let us stop and remind ourselves perfections are limitless. Let us strive to stand the rising expectation of the school, the nation, and above all, let us reach what we dreamed of. Let's together make the hues of rainbow brighter. It is only possible if we all stand together like a helping hand to those who need us in this time of crisis. And let us not forget the motto of Rainbow School, honest labor pays, which teach us in a world of lies and liars, an honest work of art is always an act of social responsibility. Any necessary work that pays an honest wage carries its own honor and dignity. Today, though the times have changed, hope is the power that gives a person the confidence to step out, and technology is just a tool. In terms of getting the kids working together and motivating them, the teacher is the most important. All we have focused during this pandemic is on the positive part, which has taught everybody technology will not replace great teachers, but technology in the hands of great teachers can be transformed. And all it requires is collaborative effort, which was very well managed by a school staff. This occasion gives us an opportunity to stop our achievements and to rededicate ourselves to face the new challenges that lie ahead. The ideal of this school is to develop individuals who will be competent to change their environment to greater conformity with moral ideals. Our ultimate mission is of creating consciousness and forward thinking students. And it is very important to note challenges are a part of life, and every challenge comes with the rainbow and lights to conquer it. May life's brightest joys illuminate our path, and may each day's journey bring us closer to our dreams. Let us all spread like the brightest color of rainbow because it's just the beginning and there's a lot to come on our way to reach the highest heights of our life.
Morning greetings to all. This year, when the world is battling with the pandemic, we at Rainbow School pray to the Almighty to heal the world and make it a better place for you, for us, and the entire human race. Yesterday was a dream, tomorrow is a vision. But a day well lived makes every yesterday a dream of happiness and every tomorrow a vision of hope. Carrying the same vision, we Rainbow family successfully completed 38 glorious and tremendous years of its existence. 3rd December 1982, the historical date when the foundation of our institution was laid. It's amazing to see how we transformed from small building in Janakpuri to a full-fledged innovative campus renowned for its marvelous infrastructure in such a short span of time. To celebrate this propitious occasion, I request school management members to invoke the Almighty and our traditional and auspicious lamp lighting ceremony as a tribute to Mother Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge. Mother, we pray for your blessings. With all humility, give us wisdom to make this world a better place. May all human beings live in harmony with nature and other forms of life. May the darkness of ignorance be swept away by the dawn of self realization. The essence of the school anthem is to arise the spirits of the children and uplift their souls. Not only this, it enthuses them with pride and a feeling of togetherness for being a part of an institution, which makes them hold their heads high. So, rainbowites are coming together to show their respect and true spirits for their school with the help of a proud performance of school anthem. Let's enjoy.
Rainbow eyes, we are rainbow eyes. Proud to say we are rainbow eyes. Rainbow eyes, we are Loyalty breathes our hearts. Hard work is the ruling art. We don't lose, we don't fall. Standing gives us a new start. We aim to face all the fights. Rainbow eyes, we are rainbow eyes. Rainbow eyes, we are rainbow eyes. Proud to say we are rainbow eyes. Rainbow eyes, we are rainbow eyes. Proud to say 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 we are rainbow eyes.
A man whose vision is irony, towered commands perfection, acted as a catalyst in many success stories, and is motivating force for all young folk. He is none other than but our school chairman, Dr. J.R. Kashyap. Sir, you are an epitome of goodness. Your charismatic personality and extraordinary talents have left deep imprints on many of us. Without taking much time, sir, accept my humble request to share the story of the successful journey with all of us.
Good morning, students, teachers, and revered parents. Today I am here with you to share my long journey of 38 years of my life in service. Because I was very much fighter from the very beginning, and I started my life just as a fighter. During 1962, when Chinese aggression was there, at that time Short Service Commission was there. I joined Short Service Commission and continuously for 2 terms, that means that is 10 years of period. I continued with that, but after that I didn't want to continue with the Short Service Commission because it was going to be over. That's why I decided to come out from the army, and I selected my career as an educationist. By the time I was well qualified, and fortunately I was in Delhi. Therefore, I had to fight with the so-called educationists settled in Delhi. It was a big tough for me to have the time and go for the education. I started my career in education just in single building at Harinagar. At the time, I was in a mood to go with the government land, and slowly and steadily I went to DDA, and DDA was allotting land for education institutions. So immediately I got the opportunity, and 2 acres of land in Janakpuri was allotted to Rainbow School, which was founded at Harinagar C98. And then since slowly and steadily I went on for promoting the education system. So there it was allotted for middle school, but with my own efforts, I went for 10th class recognition, and later on I thought to add up 11th, say, senior secondary. But when the inspection time came, at that time it was very difficult for me to get it because it was allotted land only for middle section. Immediately I had to think about how to start with the 3 streams. First I was feeling that yes, I should start with the single stream, but later on I decided that all the three streams should go continuously. So in that way, mine first batch went for the CBSE examination, and since then I didn't stop my fight, I didn't stop my career. I went on for again and again fighting, and later on I decided that yes, now, because whenever I used to come to Himachal, I used to find that the people used to ask me, "Ki sir, when you are fighting in Delhi and you had given and established as educationist over there, why not in Himachal?" Then I decided and I searched for the land, and my cousin, Mr. Vijay, he sportively helped me to find out the space over there, and I, with the support of Mr. Ashok, was having a land of this 6 canal, I think. He offered me, and then I decided to open a school in Nagrota Bagma. After working for a long period, say when it was founded in 2002, it was giving me very good result, and there was a demand that yes, there should be one more branch. So immediately, Mr. Rana was here with me. He was very honest, and Mr. Nehru was there as a driver, but he was also too honest. And they found one land piece in Bawarna. And after that, immediately in 2014, we got that land, and 2014 we started that school without recognition and affiliation. But by and by, it went on, and we got the affiliation up to 10th class. Now, I think it is, we have already got great inspection, and with great success, this school is also now senior secondary affiliated to CBSE. But still, it was not possible for me to sit idle. And what I thought that yes, I must plan for the future too. So immediately, I decided to shift to Nurpur area. And in Nurpur, we have got a land, but when it is to be started, that time is not yet has come. But my mind is there to start with the school, and it should go with the degree college, and after that, let us decide that with the support of my family, it should be known as a university also. So this is the present journey during this Corona period also. I'm not sitting idle at home, nor allowing others to sit idle at home, but with precaution. We have to work there, and we have to see, and we have to fight with the Corona. And during this Corona period, one should not afraid. Rather, everybody should make the system of living. It is a great lesson that Corona has given to us, to the world rather. Yes, how to face the circumstances, how to live during this hard time, how to meet, how to work, and how the best till the medicine is available, how you have to survive. And that is only the what your immune system. Immune system can be developed only by means of having very good diet and exercise and timetable and maximum hot water you are to take. At least 6 glasses of water, hot water, are to be taken every day, and at least 4 times some kada type. You see, that is, your kitchen is itself a doctor's shop. So, from whatsoever kitchen providing you the best things, go for that. Take 4 times teas, and don't take any market items, because these market items are going to spoil your health and you are inviting corona at your home. Keep distance, make distance, and remember the language, the words, the quotation given by our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, that yes, 2 गज की दूरी, मास्क है जरूरी। ये काम अगर आप आज के समय कर लेंगे तो मैं समझता हूँ कि कोरोना भी आपको कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ेगा और आपको अपनी जो भारतीय संस्कृति है उसके ऊपर चलने का पता लग जाएगा और जो डाइट सिस्टम है उसे आपको पूरी तरह से बना के रखना है ताकि आप बाहर की चीज़ें ना खाएं और जो घर में चीज़ें बनती हैं उनको खाएं। स्वस्थ रहिए, समाज को स्वस्थ बनाइए और अपनी एजुकेशन पब्लिक के बीच में लेके जाइए ताकि लोगों को ये लेसन मिले कि यस, लाइफ क्या चीज़ होती है। और घर बैठ कर के भी आज हम जब वर्चुअल मीटिंग कर रहे हैं, वर्चुअल टीचिंग कर रहे हैं, ऑनलाइन टीचिंग हो रही है, ये सारी चीज़ें आपको नए सिस्टम पे लाना पड़ेंगी। और मैं समझता हूँ कि जब तक हमारे पास सेकंड ओपिनियन ना हो, सेकंड थॉट ना हो, तो हम अपनी लाइफ में आगे नहीं बढ़ सकते। जहाँ तक मैंने कोरोना के बारे में बतलाया है, इस चीज़ की ओर आप लोग सब ध्यान दीजिए और समाज के अंदर अपनी दूरी को बनाए रखना है। इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ आपको शुभकामनाएं और ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं मैं देना चाहता हूं ताकि कोरोना पीरियड में किसी ना किसी का कोई ना कोई आशीर्वाद काम आएगा। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir. We have now come to know your secret of success. Truly, sir, hard labor pays, and you have proved this. Moreover, you preached us what you have practiced. We assure you, sir, that we would follow in your footsteps to take our school to great heights. Now, celebration to banta hai. So, here is an energetic performance by the budding star of Rainbow. Let's cheer them.
ਜਾਣ ਜਾਣ ਆਈ ਜਾਨਾ ਨੋਟਿਸਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੂੰ ਅੰਬਰਾਂ ਤੇ ਨਖਰਾ ਕੁੜੀ ਦਾ ਜਾਣੇ ਟਿੱਚ ਤੂੰ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਗੱਲੋਂ ਟੋਕ ਤੇਰਾ ਰਾਹ ਡੱਕ ਲਾ ਪੁੱਛਣਾ ਸਵਾਲ ਸਾਡੇ ਹੱਕ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਵੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਫਿਰੇ ਕੁਝ ਦੱਸਦਾ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਵੇ ਚੱਕਦਾ ਏ ਟਾਈਮ ਨਾਲ ਤੱਕਦਾ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਵੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਫਿਰੇ ਕੁਝ ਦੱਸਦਾ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਵੇ ਚੱਕਦਾ ਏ ਟਾਈਮ ਨਾਲ ਤੱਕਦਾ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਵੇ
सूट पाउण हट गई तू पापलीन दे गोडे जे कसाई फिरे बिल्लो जीन दे किवें कच मोती तेरा सुच्चा हो गया नी इत्थे जट दा पजामा कुड़े उच्चा हो गया जट दा पजामा कुड़े उच्चा हो गया जट दा पजामा कुड़े उच्चा हो गया चंडीगढ़ दी शीशे मूरे पोज जे बना के खड़ दी हट गई तू बाबलीन दे तेरे नाल आ तेरे शहर नाल लाइयां ने गरारियां उड्डे जे कसाई फिरे दिलो जीन दे आ गया पसंद हान दा मुंडा 14वीं दे चंद वरगा ओ किना तू पक जचदा ओ किना तू पक जचदा ओ किना तू पक जचदा मैं टट्टी दे ना भाग करवा के किना तू पक जचदा मित्तरां दे जंक्शन ते रात लगियां मैं बुलाना रे ओ मित्तरां दे जंक्शन ते रात लगियां मैं बुलाना रे टक टक करदे ने बोतल में चाड़ी तू की संग छड्डना नहीं असी छड्डी यारी राती पी के दारू नारे यार पाए नहीं खिलारे तैनू दिल विचों कट के नसीना खारिया नहीं तेरा सारा गुस्सा पंज तारा टेके उत्ते बैठदा रिया मैं तेरा सारा गुस्सा पंज तारा टेके उत्ते बैठदा रिया मैं तेरा सारा गुस्सा पंज तारा टेके उत्ते बैठदा रिया मैं तेरा सारा गुस्सा जट्टां दे मुंडे ना जे तू लाली बल्लीए मैं हो गया कल्ली कुड़ियां च कल्ली इक गल दिल च बिठा ली बल्लीए अजदी नजर आवे ओ जट्टां दे मुंडे ना जे तू लाली बल्लीए इक गल दिल च बिठा ली बल्लीए कोई चीज मुंडा बस बोलो करदा ओए यारा बेलिया दे बिना नहीं हो सरदा वीरवार दिन ना परहेज करदा यारा बेलिया दे बिना नहीं हो सरदा वीरवार दिन ना परहेज करदा
शून्य से शिखर तक का सफर आसान नहीं था। ये वो सफर था जिसका कोई आसमान नहीं था। सफर में धूप थी पर पीछे मुड़कर नहीं देखा। ये कहानी है ऐसी शख्सियत की जिसने पीछे हटना नहीं सीखा। किसी के वास्ते कहाँ बदली है राहें जो उनके लिए बदल जाती, पर जुनून था दिल में कुछ बड़ा करने का, तो मिल गया रास्ता जैसे दिए को मिल गई हो बाती। खुशकिस्मत है जो हीरा मिला जीवन संगिनी के रूप में, जैसे भगवान ने खुद अपना आशीर्वाद दिया हम सफर के रूप में। अर्जुन सा निशाना रखा, मन में ना कोई बहाना रखा। लक्ष्य सामने था, बस उसी लक्ष्य पर अपना ठिकाना रखा। सिर्फ सोचा ही नहीं, साकार किया। हमेशा अपने कर्मों से प्यार किया। कुछ करने की ठानी थी तो डटकर चले। हाँ, ये सच है कि दुनिया से हटकर चले। राम लक्ष्मण के रूप में बेटे दो वरदान मिले। राम लक्ष्मण के रूप में बेटे दो वरदान मिले। कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर चले ताकि दुनिया में आपको सम्मान मिले। कहानियों में सुना था कि फरिश्ते होते हैं धरती पर जो जीवन में उजियारा करते हैं। हम भी ऐसे ही एक फरिश्ते को आज शत शत नमन करते हैं। सौभाग्य है हमारा जो हमें सदी के इस नायक का आशीर्वाद मिला। मंदिरों में ढूंढते हैं लोग भगवान को, हमें भगवान का फरिश्ता ही आशीर्वाद में मिला। अहंकार से कोसों दूर का इनका नाता है, चेहरे पे हमेशा मुस्कान इनके सबके लिए सुकून लाता है। बच्चों के संग बच्चे बने, रिश्ते पक्के और सच्चे बने। उनकी हंसी के साथ हंसे और वैभव के नए कीर्तिमान बने। बहुत मुश्किल है चंद शब्दों में बयां करना, बहुत मुश्किल है चंद शब्दों में बयां करना आपको। शब्द शून्य है, सिर्फ शत शत नमन है आपको। किसी ने क्या खूब कहा है, आज हम पेड़ की छाया में बैठे हैं क्योंकि किसी ने बरसों पहले ये पेड़ लगाया है। सच ही तो कहा है, इंद्रधनुष के रूप में चारों दिशाओं में अपने सातों रंगों को बिखेरते हुए हमारे लिए आशियाना आप ही ने तो बनाया है। लोगों के लिए शायद ये एक कहानी या एक किस्सा है, परंतु आप जीवंत सच्चाई हो जिसका हम सब एक हिस्सा हैं। दिया ज्ञान का भंडार हमें, किया भविष्य के लिए तैयार हमें। हम आपके आभारी हैं जो किया कृतज्ञ अपार हमें, जो किया कृतज्ञ अपार हमें।